Would like to dive in and really learn a lot about आपकी जो journey थी कैसी थी.
I was in America and वहाँ पे San Francisco में काफ़ी बड़ा thrift culture होता है and it was very interesting. मैंने पहली दफ़ा ऐसे देखा था and there were these really beautiful high-end shops which had like branded luxury items where you could sell your stuff and you could also get stuff. और कोई नहीं कर रहा है तो मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकती हूँ? And so I decided to quit my corporate job and so I'm working at the biggest FMCG MNC in Pakistan. Not just building a brand but building a market because the idea of secondhand pre-loved was taboo, right? And it's become much more mainstream and there were a lot of reasons for it. But Pakistan is a society which is very log kya kahenge aap second hand purani cheezein use kar rahe hain.
What was it like? Were you getting lots and lots of inquiries and people wanting to buy stuff? Did the site become really popular?
Overnight to change nahi hone wala hai, right? But it was kind of creeping in slowly. People were looking at it and we got traction and it was a steady rise. And we've had international orders like randomly from like some stranger in America or London. And because I was a female Pakistani targeting Pakistani women, it was like, I know my customer, I am my customer. And you just have to have the like problem solving mindset. You're like, okay, this has happened. What do we do to fix this? So how do we manage that?